I created this math puzzle to challenge the math enthusiast out there. What is the value of m plus a plus t plus h? One method. I created this math puzzle to challenge the math enthusiast out there. What is the value of m plus a plus t plus h? One method to solve this problem is using guess and check. Assuming that m, a, t, and h are positive, the largest possible value of m that we can use is going to be 9. If we substitute m is 9, a value should be 1 for that to be a 10. That works. T value should be 2 for that to be a sum of 11. If you add a plus h, this should be 3. That is correct for 4, but this will not work for 2 minus 3. So 9 will not work. Now let's try another number. Let's try 8. If m is 8, a value should be 2 for the sum to be 10. Vertically, if m is 8, then t must be 3 for the sum to be 11. If a is 2, then h must be 2 so that the sum will be 4. Is 3 minus 2 equal to 3? No, it's not. So 8 will not work as well. Let's try a different number. This time, let's try 7. If m is 7, a value should be 3, that way 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. If m is 7, t value should be 4, that way 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. If a is 3, h value should be 1, that way 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. And subtracting 4 minus 1, that's equal to 3. That works. This means that m is 7, a is 3, t is 4, and h is 1. Guess and check works, but it is not the most efficient way of solving problems like this, especially when you have larger numbers. So now let's solve this problem using systems of equations, either by elimination or substitution. One way to solve this math puzzle is by using guess and check. But a more efficient way of solving this problem is by using systems of equations. For this problem, we will write 4 different equations. Our first horizontal equation is m plus a is equal to 10. The second horizontal equation is t minus h is equal to 3. Now let's do the vertical equations. The first vertical equation is m plus t is equal to 11. The second vertical equation is a plus h is equal to 4. I paired up the equations like this to eliminate some of the variables. For the first system of equations, variable m is common to both equations. So I will do subtraction to eliminate the variable. M minus m is 0. A minus t, we write it as a minus t, is equal to 10 minus 11, we have a negative 1. So a minus t equals negative 1 is the new resulting equation. Now let's do the second system of equation. For this system, h is common to both. One is negative h and the other one is positive h. So to eliminate the variable h, I will do addition method. T plus a is the same thing as a plus t. Negative h plus h is 0, is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Now I will create a third system using a minus t is equal to negative 1 and a plus t is equal to 7. Here I can eliminate the variable t by addition. A plus a is 2a. T and negative t is 0, is equal to negative 1 plus 7 is 6. Dividing both sides by 2, our a value is 3. Since our a value is 3, we can replace now a squared with 3. For the top horizontal equation, we have m plus 3 is equal to 10. So what should be the m value? 7, right? 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Now using the left side vertical equation, 7 plus t is equal to 11. What should be the t value? 4, right? 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Now look at the bottom horizontal equation. 4 minus h is equal to 3. What's the value of h? 1, right? Because 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So this means that the value of m plus a plus t plus h is the sum of these four numbers 7, 3, 4, and 1. So the answer is 15.